between us. I want it all good, drop. Was walking backward, drop. Bring me close. Yeah, yeah. Cause without you, got up, I can't be me. Last night I'm in suit, cause there's no one like you. Yeah, yeah. I pray to you, cause I got no one but you. What I want when I come true, I need mercy from you. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need mercy from you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need mercy from you. Slept off all night. I should have prayed last night for you. For you. For you. I'll take a whole day off to make it all up. No food, no water in my belly till the sun's gone. I'll spend the day like trying to make things right between us. I want it all good, drop. Was walking backward, drop. Bring me close. Cause without you, got up, I can't be me. Last night I'm in suit, cause there's no one like you. Yeah, yeah. I pray to you, cause I got no one but you. What I want when I come true, I need mercy from you. Yeah, yeah. Praise me for it, cause I did 1,000 things wrong. Did it behind the scenes, behind the scenes. I'm not scared to show you my flaws, but don't publicize your sins, don't publicize your sins. Yeah, if I did something right, don't praise me for it, praise me for it, don't, no. Some are watching not because they love you, waiting for you to fall to take a picture of you. Sometimes they say, Mashallah, you're the best. I love the things that you do. I let my kids watch you, them never watch Scooby-Doo. They'll idealize you, but when the tea gets spilled about you, they'll be the first to push you off the pedestal. They've been waiting for so long, so long. They'll be the judge, the jury, no need to verify this story. If I did something right, don't praise me for it, don't praise me for it, cause I did 1,000 things wrong. Did it behind the scenes, behind the scenes. I'm not scared to show you my flaws, but don't publicize your sins, don't publicize your sins. Yeah, if I did something right, don't praise me for it, praise me for it, don't, no. I see masks everywhere, but don't wanna be part of that. Wanna show you who I am, but you wouldn't allow that. I guess I keep playing the prophet, I keep playing the character. The same thing we all do, you and I putting on the public persona. Okay, I'll show you only the things that you wanna see, but don't praise me for it, don't praise me for it. If I did something right, don't praise me for it, don't praise me for it, cause I did 1,000 things wrong. Did it behind the scenes, behind the scenes. I'm not scared to show you my flaws, but don't publicize your sins, don't publicize your sins. Yeah, if I did something right, don't praise me for it, praise me for it, don't, no. Oh Allah, forgive my sins, cause you and I know there's a monster behind this smile. Yeah, yeah. Don't praise me for it. Assalamu alaikum, they call me Ramzan. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up right down below, because it helps a lot to make YouTube recommend these videos to others. And if you want to help me, further, you can join my Patreons today, and I have to go now. Peace out. Private
I'm not scared to show you my flaws, but don't publicize your sins, don't publicize your sins. Yeah, if I did something right, don't praise me for it, praise me for it, don't, no. I see masks everywhere, but don't wanna be part of that. Wanna show you who I am, but you wouldn't allow that. I guess I keep playing the prophet, I keep playing the character. The same thing we all do, you and I putting on the public persona. Okay, I'll show you only the things that you wanna see, but don't praise me for it, don't praise me for it. If I did something right, don't praise me for it, don't praise me for it. Cause I did 1,000 things wrong, did it behind the scenes, behind the scenes. I'm not scared